Hey everybody, it's Josh with Lifetime Exteriors, and behind me you can see these hip and ridge shingles that are missing on this hip here. The good news for my customer is that we got their roof approved for a full roof replacement for hail damage, but this wind damage was not here at the time we got this roof approved, but we can't do the roof yet because there's still snow on the ground, and the manufacturers recommend that you have at least a high of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. So we're going to be doing the install here in a few weeks, but in the meantime, this is an area where water can get inside the home. And as you can see underneath the shingles, there's felt paper. Now, this is what insurance is paying for when we put this roof back on, is to reinstall felt paper. But the problem is with felt paper, it's not to our minimum standards here at Lifetime Exteriors, because we use a fully synthetic underlayment, because all felt paper is paper dipped in asphalt, but it is not going to prevent water from getting inside the home. So here's a sample of 15-pound felt paper, and the problem with this is not just that it's not waterproof, but it also tears very easily. So as you can see, I could just rip this right in half, and if you double it here, that's like 30-pound felt paper, which you can also buy, but as you can see, I can rip that very easily. So here at Lifetime Exteriors, when we get a roof approved through insurance, we're going to upgrade our customers to a fully synthetic underlayment. Now, not only is this a superior product, we upgrade you to this for free, but it's also going to prevent water from entering your home. It goes under your shingles, and it's really hard to rip. Like, I'm pulling on this very hard. It's not ripping. It's like having a tarp underneath your entire roof. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to do this temporary repair, and we'll chat here when I'm done. All right, well, as you can see, the repair has been done. And what's nice is this fully synthetic underlayment is going to prevent any rain or snow from getting water inside the home. Again, the nice thing is about working with Lifetime Exteriors is we're always going to upgrade you to a fully synthetic underlayment, but this is our minimum standard, because now when it rains or snows, they no longer have to worry about water getting in their home in this area, because there's a fully synthetic underlayment there. So when we do this roof and we replace it, we're going to have this underlayment everywhere. And again, it's like having a tarp underneath all of your shingles. It's just the best way to do the roof.